Stars. It's LarryFx Academy here again. My name is Samuel Apelumi, the founder of LarryFx Academy. I welcome you to our Forex Beginners class episode 3. In this episode, I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade any financial market. I'll be talking about types of trading, basic of trading, and types of trend that we have in financial markets. Make sure you stay tuned for more of our powerful videos. Alright, so if you have yet to watch our episode 1, kindly go back and watch it, and episode 2 also, kindly go back and watch it. Alright, where I talk in episode 2 where I talk about synthetic indices, and episode 1 I talk about forex trading, basic of forex trading. I introduce you to forex markets. Alright, and in this episode, like I said, I'll be teaching you guys on how to trade any financial market. Right, so let's go to what we have for this section. Let me share my screen. All right, so like I said, that in this episode I'll be teaching you guys on basic of trading, style of trading, type of trend. All right, basic of trading simply means how to trade financial markets, how you can actually make money through financial markets. All right, style of trading also means how you can generate money in financial market. All right, so type of trend means what we have, how the market flow, how the market moves. All right, so those are the things I'll be talking about in this episode. Okay, the first one is technical analysis, the second one is fundamental analysis, while the third one is sentimental analysis. Those are the basic of trading that we have in trading financial markets. What do I mean by technical analysis? Technical analysis is the analysis you carry out by yourself. All right, you carry out the analysis, you check the structure of the market, you check what is happening in the market. You did the analysis yourself. All right, I said technical analysis is an analysis methodology for analyzing and forecasting the direction of the price through the study of past market data, primarily price and volume. All right, like I said, technical analysis is the analysis you carry out by yourself. You check the structure of the what has been happening on the market, probably in the past few days, right? And to the current flow of the market. You check what is happening to know how maybe probably you want to buy or probably you want to sell, to know whether you will buy or you will sell. That is technical analysis, right? And fundamental analysis actually do with news, what is happening in the world market. You don't need any trend line, you don't need any. And mind you, in technical analysis, we actually have different indicators. We have different trend line that you can use to determine the structure of the market, right? In technical analysis, it's beyond this. Probably when we get to how to analyze market, I will explain more our technical analysis. But for a basic knowledge, right? For beginners, what you just need in technical analysis, the definition where so the current knowledge of the basic for beginners now is to know the definition of technical analysis, because when we get to advanced, it won't be hard, right? So technical analysis, have it in your scholar. Technical analysis is the analysis that you carry out by yourself, right? By checking the past structure of the markets, all right? So Fundamental analysis is the analysis that actually deal with news, with deal with what is happening in the world market. Remember, Forex deal with economy of a country, right? If you are trading currency pair, it has to do with what is happening in this country, maybe what is happening in Euro, what is happening in US, what is happening in Nigeria, right? Right? That is about fundamental analysis. We have different uh we have different news every day. Like I said, remember I said in trading forex, banks has 80 to 70% of forex transaction. So sometimes banks may not work, right? It may be an holiday, alright. So this fundamental analysis to help you to know that in this week there is an holiday, in this uh maybe probably in this month, this is what will happen on Euro USD, this is what will happen on JPB USD, alright, this is what will happen on USD. Right? Fundamental analysis will help you with that. And sentimental analysis, what is sentimental analysis? Sentimental analysis is when you focus on someone signal, right? When you focus on someone providing a signal for you, right? Sentimental analysis is the process of classifying whether a block or test is positive, negative, or natural. The goal of sentimental analysis is to help you to make money in forex market through the help of someone's opinion, right? To help you to make money through some, maybe probably the person has done the analysis and he sent it to you that buy this, buy that, right? So you can also make money through a sentimental analysis by focusing on someone's signal, right? Probably you paid someone to give you signal, maybe you don't have the knowledge and you wish to make money in forex market, you can actually trade with sentimental analysis. All right. So now let's go to the style style of trading. We have three types of trading, style of trading. All right. We have the daily trading, we have the scalpers, all right, which is scalping. We have the swing trade. What is daily trade? Daily trade is when someone has a target that today I want to make so amount of money in the forex market, that probably you wish to make $100. After you make the $100, you stay from the market, right? Why scalpers is you don't have a target, you just want to make money, right? You barely see a trend market, you enter, you close, just going in and out of the market, right? So swing trade is when you hold a trade for a long period of time, alright? That is swing traders. So day trading is being in and out of a trade within a day, while scalping take a short term trades in and out within an hour, while swing trade holding a trade for a long period of time, probably a day, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days and more, right? That is for swing trade. Now let's go to types of trend. Types of trend. Types of trend. We also have three types of trend. We have the uptrend, downtrend, and range market. Uptrend, downtrend, and range market. Please don't forget this, because when we get to advanced level, I will still have to go back to the basic level. Right? So we still have to go back to the basic level. So uptrend is when market is moving high. And how can you know that market is moving high? By creating market will create higher high, higher low. There's something we call higher high, higher low. Let me show you. Let me show you on my chart. Let me show you on my chart. We have something we call higher high, higher low. Alright? When market is creating higher high, let me use this. sharing. When you have something like this, so when you have something like this, it's what we call an uptrend market, right? When market is creating higher high, higher low, this is an uptrend market, right? Now, if you're talking about downtrend market, it's when market is moving down, right? When market is creating lower high and lower low, that is for downtrend market, alright? For downtrend market, when market is creating lower high and lower low, we join it together, alright? So this is for downtrend market. So this is for downtrend market, when market is creating lower highs and lower low. But for uptrend, when market is creating higher highs and higher low. Right? Now, if you are talking about range market, when market does not have a clear direction, when market was consolidating, is what we call a range market. When market does not have a clear direction, is what we call a range market. So when you have something like this, we call it a range market. So these are the three types of trend that we have: uptrend, downtrend, and range market. We'll talk more about this when we get to advanced level, right? Or just have this knowledge now. So now let's go to our notes here. Uptrend is considered to be a place when a market is making higher highs and higher lows. In this case, you look to buy index, right? When you see an uptrend market, when market is creating higher high and higher lows, you look for what? You look for buy opportunity, right? When a market is for downtrend is a place when a market is making lower highs and lower low, right? When a market is making lower high and lower lows, you look for what? A sell opportunity. You don't buy in that kind of trend, right? When a market is creating high highs and higher low, you look for buy opportunity. You don't look for sell opportunity, right? And for range market is known as a sideways market. It means that the market does not have a particular direction. It either moves up, not down. You can actually make money in range market if you understand the psychology behind it. You know that when market gets to this particular point, it surely reverse. So you take your profit, you buy again. When it gets to the resistance, you take your profit. When it gets to support, take your profit. Right? There's something we call support and resistance soon. I will still talk more about that when we get to the advanced level. Right? So in range markets, you can actually make money if you understand the psychology behind it. Uh, Probably when you enter this particular, probably you are buying, when you enter this particular buy, you take your profit at this uh, support, resistance. When you say at this resistance, you take your profit at the next support. Right? That's how to make money trading a range market. Right? So that is what we have in this episode. Like, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section, or you reach out to me on my social media. My bio is You can check my bio for my social media handles, right? And you can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp number or on my WhatsApp. The number is 09046523509. can reach out to me on my WhatsApp for more explanation. If you have any question that you want to ask personally, right? Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notification bell for more of our powerful lessons, so that you don't miss any of our powerful lessons. Thanks.